The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S680 is not just a car, it's a rolling statement of power, opulence, and pure perfection. Imagine gliding down the street in silence, surrounded by handcrafted luxury, cutting-edge technology, and the kind of comfort that feels like floating through the clouds. Today, we're diving deep into the 2026 Maybach S680, the ultimate symbol of automotive royalty. From its majestic design to its thunderous V12 heart, this machine defines what it means to arrive in style. The moment you lay eyes on the new S680, it's clear Mercedes has taken luxury to an entirely new level. The design is an art form, elegant chrome accents, a hand-painted dual-tone body, and the signature Maybach vertical grille that instantly commands respect. The hood stretches long and proud, while the digital LED headlights sparkle like diamonds. The new 21-inch forged alloy wheels complete the look, giving this masterpiece a stance that screams sophistication and dominance. Every curve, every line, every inch of the Maybach's body has been sculpted with absolute precision to blend timeless class with modern presence. Step inside and you'll enter a world few have ever experienced. The cabin is a sanctuary of serenity and craftsmanship, where luxury materials meet cutting-edge innovation. Soft Nappa leather wraps every surface, hand-stitched with care. The rear seats are not just seats, they're thrones. Fully reclinable, with massaging, cooling, and heating features, complete with calf rests and memory functions. The signature Maybach fragrance fills the cabin through the air purification system, creating an atmosphere that feels more like a private spa than a car interior. The cabin lighting can change to match your mood, with over 250 ambient color options that gently flow like a light show. The Burmester 4D surround sound system brings your music to life with 30 speakers that literally vibrate through your seat, creating a concert-level experience no matter where you sit. And for those who prefer peace and quiet, Mercedes has engineered an advanced noise cancellation system that isolates you completely from the outside world. Under the hood, the 2026 Maybach S680 hides a beast. A handcrafted 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine produces an astonishing 621 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque, paired with a silky 9-speed automatic transmission and the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system. The result? This luxury yacht on wheels can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds, faster than some sports cars. Yet, it does it all without drama. The acceleration is smooth, almost supernatural, as if the car is pulling you forward with pure grace. The ride quality is where the Maybach truly shines. The new e-active body control system uses cameras to scan the road ahead and adjust the suspension in real time, making bumps and imperfections disappear before you even feel them. It's like the road itself bends to the Maybach's will. Every drive feels effortless, silent, and completely isolated from chaos outside. Technology in the S680 feels futuristic yet intuitive. The 12.8-inch OLED touchscreen at the center controls everything, from comfort to entertainment, while the massive digital driver display can be customized with 3D graphics. The new MBUX system recognizes voice commands more naturally than ever. Just say, "Hey Mercedes," and the car will adjust lighting, temperature, navigation, or even tell you a joke. Rear passengers get their own screens, wireless controls, and even fold-out tables for working or dining on the go. And for privacy, the electrochromatic glass roof can instantly tint at the press of a button. Safety, as always, is at the core of Mercedes' design. The 2026 Maybach includes adaptive cruise control, active steering assist, lane keeping, cross-traffic braking, and an automatic emergency response system. It even has predictive driver assistance that learns your habits and can react faster than a human in dangerous situations. On the outside, the S680 offers exclusive Maybach branding, unique color combinations, and chrome detailing that highlights its exclusivity. The rear doors can open and close automatically with the push of a button, adding to the feeling of being chauffeured like a VIP. The Maybach badge doesn't just represent luxury, it represents power, status, and timeless taste. For those who want even more personalization, Mercedes offers an incredible array of bespoke options. You can choose everything from custom two-tone paint schemes to exclusive materials, even unique rear compartment layouts that include champagne refrigerators, folding tables, and silver-plated flutes. Every Maybach is a reflection of its owner, one of one, built for perfection. Driving or being driven in the Maybach S680 feels like stepping into the future of ultra-luxury travel. It's not about getting from point A to point B, it's about how you experience every moment in between. The serenity, the comfort, the sound, the craftsmanship, it all combines to remind you that this is more than transportation. It's a statement that says you've arrived. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S680 is not just the peak of luxury, it's the definition of success, the gold standard of prestige. It represents everything the Mercedes brand stands for: innovation, heritage, and unmatched class. Whether you're behind the wheel or sitting in the back, the S680 doesn't just move you through the world, it moves the world around you. If you dream of driving the finest luxury sedan on earth, this is it, the Maybach S680, where power meets perfection.